Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today we have a question 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power a minus 512 which is equal to 0. So 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power a and it is equal to 512. We will take negative 512 to the opposite side of equal. So 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power a and 512 can be written as 2 raised to the power 9. So from here bases are same, so we will compare its powers. So it will become 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power a which is equal to 9. And from here 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2. So again bases are same. It will become 4 raised to the power a which is equal to 2. Now we can write 4 as 2 raised to the power 2 and its power a which is equal to 2. As we know that a raised to the power m whole power n is equal to a raised to the power mn, so it will become 2 raised to the power 2a which is equal to 2, and here 2 is the power 1. Now again bases are same, so compare its power, so it will become 2a is equal to 1. Now dividing both sides by 2, so from here a is equal to 1 divided by 2. Now we will check that the value of a is correct or not. To check, 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 4 and raised to the power 1 divided by 2. Now it will become, and it is equal to 512, or minus 5 divided by 12 is equal to 0. So from here it will become 2 raised to the power 3, 2 1 time 2, 2 2 time 4, 3 raised to the power 2 minus 512 which is equal to 0. Now from here 3 squares means 9 minus 512 which is equal to 0, and 2 raised to the power 9 is equal to 512 minus 512 is equal to 0. So from here 0 is equal to 0. It means the value of a satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.